Good morning, students. Today let us discuss exercise 1.2. See here, classify the following numbers are rational or irrational. See, root 27 and under root of 441, 30.23234234 and so on. So here, this is a non-terminated, non-repeated. Non-terminated, there is no end point, not repeated. So it is a irrational number. Okay. Now see here, this is 7.48484848 so and so. It is non-terminated but repeating decimal. So it is we can convert into rational number. So it is a rational number. See 11.213243546 here it is a terminating decimal. So it can be this we can convert into p by q form. So it is a rational number. So it is 0.303003003 so and so. It is a non-terminating and non-recurring. So it is a irrational number. This is irrational number. It is a irrational number. It is a rational number. It is a rational number. Let us see root 27 and square root of 441. See these two problems. Square root of 27, square root of 441. See whether check this 27 is a perfect square or not. Otherwise, let us see. This we can write. Let us simplify. This we can write 27. 9 3s are. Okay. So here this we can write root 9 into root 3. So what is root 9? 3 into root 3. So root 3 is irrational. So rational into irrational is irrational. So this is a irrational number. Now let us see 441. See here 441, square root of 441. Do you know 441 is a perfect square or not? Let us check. So this is the 21 whole square. What is 21 whole square? So let us see 21 into 21. 1 into 1, 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. 1 4 4. So this is a square root of 21 whole square. Square and root get cancelled. 21. So it is a rational number. Okay. Now let us see. Give 4 examples of rational number and irrational numbers. Give 4 examples of rational numbers and irrational numbers. So tell me any 2 rational numbers. I will give you rational. Rational means that is in the form of p by q. Okay. So we can write 2 by 3 or 5. 5 is also rational. But it is not in the form of p by q. We can write 5 as 5 by 1. Okay. Sometimes we can write in the 0.231. So it is also rational number. This we can convert into p by q form. It is non-terminating. Okay, it is terminating decimal. So it is a rational number. So can you give any 0.2 for all we have seen 2 4 2 4 so and so. So it is a non-terminating but repeating. So it is also a rational number. Now let us see irrational number. Give some 4 irrational numbers. So irrational numbers we can write like this: 0.12307001754. So it is a non-terminating, non-recurring. So it is a irrational number. These are irrational numbers. You can write like this, or we can write square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 11. These are all irrational numbers. Okay. See Third one, find an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. How many more there may be? Okay, so here we have to find irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. How many more will be exist? How many more will be there? So, to write the irrational number, what is irrational number definition? That is in the form of decimal. It is a non-terminating, non-recurring. Decimal is called irrational number. Let us convert this into decimal form. 5 by 7. Divide 5 with 7. Okay now. So 5 is less than 7. Put point. So here 50. 7 sevens are 49. Subtract 1. Write 0. 7 ones are 7. Subtract 3. Write 0. 30. 7 fours are 28. 2. Write 0. 7 twos are 14. Subtract 6. Write 0. 60. 7 eights are 56. 60 minus 56, 4. Okay. So put 0. 40. 7 fives are 35. Again 5. 0. 7 sevens are 49. Minus 1. Repeating. 5 0 49 49 repeating. So this will continue. 0 right 7 ones are 7. So this will up to, from this total will be repeated 4 2 8 5. So this is 0.714285 bar. This is repeating. Okay, after decimal that 5 digits 6 digits are repeating. Now let us see 7 by 9. Divide 7 with 9. So 7 is less than 9. Put point. 70. Okay. So 7. How many times it will goes? Okay. 9. 8 is 72. 9 8 is 72. 9 7 is 63. Subtract 7. Again 0. 9 7 is 63. Subtract 7. Put 0. 9 7 is 63. So repeating same. So that is, this value is 0.777 means 7 bar. So we write irrational number between these two rational numbers. So here see, 0.71. Here 0.7. Okay. So between 0.7 and 0.71 we can write 0.7 means this is, first we have to write this ascending order. 0.7, this is 0.7 bar means 777 so and so. So first digit is same, that should be same. First digit 7 7 same. Next 1 7. Between 1 and 7. Between 1 and 7 what is the number? 2. Next write whatever the digits you want. 0 1 3 4 5 8 0 0 like this. So this is one irrational number. We can write infinite number of irrational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay. So if you want to write one more, what is the digits are same? 7. Next 1 7. Next between this, after 1 what is the number you can take? 3. Next you can write whatever the numbers, 0 1 2 4 5 6 like this. Okay. So there are infinite number of irrational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay. Now see here, right, this is for you. Write the two irrational numbers between 0.7 and 0.77. 0.7 means 0.70. What are the digits same? 0.777. Next 0, 7. Between 0 and 7, what are the numbers? 1. You write 2, 3, 0, 0, 8, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, you write two more irrational numbers between these two irrational numbers. Okay, let us see another problems. Already I explained find the value of root 5. Okay, now find the value of root 7 up to 6 decimal places by long division method. This is up to 3 decimal places. So locate root 10 on the number line.